At the first example, the bus, this is inside a bus. The first picture, the bus is stationary. So the people inside the bus is also stationary. Okay enough? So the two of them, they are stationary. Bus and the people stationary. Now, these people that is sitting or standing inside the bus, they are not fixed to the bus with screws or with string tie them up in the bus. No, they are actually resting inside the bus. They are free to move. They are free to move. They are just resting in the bus. They are not screwed to the bus. They are not tied to the bus. Okay, now when the stationary bus starts to move, right? When the bus starts to move, the people standing on top of the bus move. Now, the tendency of the people inside the bus is to remain stationary. There is nobody asking them to move. So these stationary people will remain stationary inside the bus. So when the bus move in front and they remain stationary, it appears that these people they are moving backwards like that. But actually they are not moving backward. They are actually trying to maintain their stationary state. They are trying to maintain their stationary state. Okay, so this is inertia. In this case, the people inside the bus, they have inertia. So they have the tendency not to move together with the bus. Okay, so far, any question? Do you know what I am trying to describe to you about these
Yeah,
people
yeah.
not moving
Mm-hmm.
inside the bus? Okay,
Sir.
now, huh, this is always the case. Now, people, there are two things, right? The two things at first, either the two things are moving or they are not moving. Either they are moving or they are not moving, right? So when they start to move, then they get separated. That is what they are actually doing here. Now, let us look at the second case. The second case. The bus is moving, right? The bus is moving. Okay. When the bus is moving, the people inside is moving together with the bus. Two of them moving together. Suddenly, let's say the bus driver step on the brake, so the bus stop. When the bus stop, there is nothing telling the people inside the bus to stop. So these people inside the bus, they have inertia and they have the tendency to continue to move in a straight line. So that's why you see when the bus brake, then these people move in front. Why they move in front? Because they have inertia. They have the tendency to continue to move in front. So these are the two cases, right? You have any question or not? No question. No question. How? Right. So actually there are two types. Two types. One is both of them moving together, one suddenly stop. Both of them moving together, one suddenly stop, the other continue to move. There is another case, both of them stationary, one started to move and the other continue to remain stationary. Right? So it shows the difference. That there is a difference there. So this difference is due to inertia. Okay. Now you look at this case here. You look at this case. You tell me what can you explain to me what is happening here? There's a stack of book, then you pull out one book, the other
The
book
top book fall down.
fall straight or move together with the book that you pull out,
Fall straight.
fall straight. Okay. Now Can you explain this in terms of inertia? Why the book they fall straight down? Why they didn't follow the book that is moving out?
I have no. Wait, let me think.
Hmm?
Let me think. Wait, I have
Okay.
no idea.
Huh?
Wait,
No idea. Huh? Okay. So
how to explain it.
let me explain. Right. At first, the book at the top here. Let me use the drawing. Drawing. Now, at first, the book at the top here, stationary. The book in the middle also stationary. Both of them stationary. So when you pull the book at the center, you pull out the book at the center, right? You pull them out, pull out at the center there. You are pulling the book in the middle there. You are not pulling the book at the top. Because the book at the top here has inertia, so it will not follow the book at the bottom. It will, because of its inertia, it will remain stationary. So it won't follow the book. So when it remains stationary and the book at the bottom is removed, so it will fall vertically downwards. So the book will fall vertically downwards. It will not follow the book that is taken out like this, because this book here has inertia, because they refuse to move. How about this case? The boy cycling suddenly hit the stone or knock the stone and the bicycle slow down. What happened to the boy? That means the bicycle slow down or stop. What happened to
The
the boy?
bicycle stopped, but the boy keeps moving forward.
Yes. Why? Because the boy has what? The bicycle stop. The boy keep moving forward because the boy has inertia. The law of inertia say when it is moving, it will continue to move. So this boy continue to move. So this is the law of inertia. Right. Okay.